Today we'll be going through IGCSE Cambridge Mathematics Paper 2 Extended 058023 October November 2014. Question number 1. $1 is equal to 8.2 Rand and change this much dollars we have to change into rands. For currency conversion we will be from higher currency to lower currency we are multiplying by the conversion ratio. So it will be $350 multiplied by the conversion ratio, which is 8.2, and our answer will be 350 multiplied by 8.2, and this will be resulting to 2870 rands. This will be our answer. Then question number 2, write the following in order of size, smallest first. So ascending order we have to write. So we will be using calculator. Our strategy for this question will be to convert all the numbers into decimal, and first number is already in decimal. Second number we can convert root 0.6, and this is equal to 0.77. This will be 0.7745, and this one third number 0.6 raised to the power 2 will be equal to 0.36, so 0.36, and last number 0.7 raised to the power 3 will be equal to 0.343. Now 1, 2, 3 numbers, and fourth one is 0.34. Now the smallest one will be 0.34. This one will be the smallest one, so we'll write here 0.34, and next number will be this one 0.343, so 0.7 cubed, and this is done. This one also done. Now these two, this one is the smaller one, so 0.6 squared, and the largest number is root of 0.6. This is how we can arrange. Question number 3, work out this. We have to do with the calculator. Answer we have to provide in standard form. So we will multiply this one. So it will be 4 into 10 raised to the power minus 5, and we can put in brackets, basically brackets being safer side. So here, and multiplication, another bracket 6 into 10 raised to the power 12, and bracket close, and this will be resulting to, so we can write here 2, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. Now we have to move the decimal. We can write 0.0, and this decimal we have to move over here after first non-zero number, and this will be 2.4. 2.4 into 10 raised to power, these are 7 zeros, and 8th one is 4, so 10 raised to the power 8. Because decimal is jumping to the left, so it will be positive. If decimal is shifting to the right, then power will be negative. So our answer is 2.4 into 10 raised to the power 8. This will be our final answer. Question number 4. The 4 sector angles in a pie chart are these and 90. Find the value of x. So pie chart is having 360 angles. So to find value of x, we will add everything. So 2x plus 3x plus 4x plus 90 is equal to 360. So 360, and this will be 2 plus 3 will be 5, 5 plus 4 will be 9. So 9x is equal to 360 minus 90, which is equal to 270. So x will be equal to 270 divided by 9, which is equal to 30. So x value will be 30. Hopefully you understood this question as well. Question number 5. A train takes 65 minutes to travel 52 kilometers. Calculate the average speed of the train in kilometer per hour. Units we have to provide in kilometer per hour. We know the formula, which is speed is equal to distance over time. Distance is provided in kilometers, which we can use over here, and time they have provided in minutes, which we have to change into hours. So time t first we will change into hours, which is 65 divided by 60. This will be hours, and now speed is equal to distance over time, so we can use speed is equal to distance, which is 52 kilometers, divided by this time, 65 over 60, and this one we can check with the calculator. So this will be 52 divided by, again, fraction, and this will be 65 over 60, and this will be equal to 48. So this will be 48 kilometers per hour. Hopefully you understand this. Our answer will be over here at the proper place. Now they are saying solve the equation. This question number 6, solve the equation this. So we can cross multiply. We can write 8 over 1, and then we will cross multiply like this. So this will be, this side will become 2x plus 5 multiply by 1, it will remain same. So 3 into 8 will be 24. Now we can shift 5 to this side. So 2x is equal to 24 minus 5, which is equal to 19, and x will be equal to 19 divided by 2, which is equal to 9.5. We can check with the calculator as well. So this will be basically 19 divided by 2. This will be equal to 9.5. So this is 9.5, our answer at the proper location. This is our answer, 3 marks question. Question number 7. Find the interior angle of a regular polygon. It means all the angles are equal and with sides 18. We know the formula that sum of interior angles will be equal to 180 into n minus 2. This is n is basically the number of sides. Now number of sides are 18, so we can write here sum of angles is equal to 180 into n is 18, so 18 minus 2, so this will be 16. This will be 16, so 180 into 16 will be resulting to, we can check with the calculator, 180 into 16 will be 2880, so this will be 2880. Now this is sum of angles, and angles are 18. So there will be 18 sides, it means 18 interior angles. So interior angle, we can write 1 interior angle. So 1 interior angle will be equal to 2880 divided by 18, and this will be equal to, this one divided by 18 is equal to 160. So our answer will be 160. We are applying this formula, and our answer is 160 degrees. 160 degrees will be our answer for this part. Question number 8, we have to make subject. For making subject, x we have to make subject. We'll have to check x is under root, so we'll have to take square to get rid of this root. So first we will shift this 2 to other side, so it will be y minus 2 is equal to root of x minus 8. Now to get rid of this root, we will take square on both sides. This is a very simple question. If you carefully solve, this is 3 marks basically question. So this will be y minus 2, no need to open this, and this will be square root, and this square will be cancelled, so x minus 8. Now we can shift 8 to this side, so it will be y minus 2 square, and we can write plus 8, or we can write 8 plus this. So this will be equal to x, and our answer will be y minus 2 squared plus 8. This will be our final answer for this question. Question number 9 is y varies inversely as x squared. This is a variation question, proportionality question. So they are saying y varies inversely as x plus 5. So we can write y varies inversely mean 1 over x plus 5. This will be our equation which we have formed from this one, and this we can write proportionality, we can change into equality, and we can write k over x plus 5. Now this equation we will be utilizing for our these values. Y is equal to 6 and x is equal to 3. We will replace in this one y is equal to 6 and x is equal to 3. So k over 3 plus 5, which is equal to k over 8, and 8 we can shift to this side. So k will be equal to 48, and this value k is equal to 48 we will replace in this equation, and we will get y is equal to 48 over x plus 5. Now this will be our net formula, and in this one they are saying find y when x is equal to 7. So y we have to find when x is equal to 7. So we will replace here, and we can use calculator to solve this, and this will be 48 divided by 7 plus 5, which is 12, so it will be 4. So our answer will be 4 over here, and this is 3 marks. Very easy question. You will have to first of all understand the wording, form the equation in form of proportionality, then change proportionality into equality, and use these two given values to find the value of k, and then utilize this final equation to find the value of y. Hopefully you got this. Question number 10. This one, Maria borrows this much amount at a start of a business. The loan is for 3 years, 5% interest per year, and this is compound interest. The loan has to be paid back at the end of 3 years, so duration is 3 years. We know the formula for compound interest amount is equal to principal amount into 1 plus r over 100 raised to the power time duration, which is t, and t basically, but t we are putting, n is number of times. So here in this case once in a year, so we are taking t. So this will be basically the formula which we will be applying in this question, compound interest formula. So we will replace these values. Amount we have to find is equal to principal amount, which is this one, 1,2,0,0,0, into 1 plus rate is 5%, so 5 over 100 raised to the power time duration is 3, and now we have to calculate this with so 1,2,0,0,0 into 1 plus 5 over 100, and raised to the power will be 3, and this is equal to 13891.5. 13891.5. This will be our final answer over here, 13891.5. This is final answer. This is 3 mark question. Only this simple process, just applying this formula. Question number 11. Here are the first 3 terms of the sequence. So these are the first 3 terms provided, u1, u2 and u3. The nth term is given by, this is the nth term formula, and work out the value of u39. For u39 we will replace n is equal to 39 in this given formula. So u39 will be equal to 1 by 4 into 39 squared and into 39 plus 1 whole squared, and we can calculate this by the help of calculator. So this will be 1 over 4 into this will be 39 squared and into 39 plus 1, and this will be whole squared, so this will be equal to 608400. So 608400, this will be our answer for this part. Now B part, if we go through B part, here are the first 3 terms of another sequence, 1, 2 and 3. If we, by comparing this sequence with the sequence in part A, find the formula for nth term, V basically we have to Vn we have to find. So if we compare this, this is 1 cube and this is 2 cube. This, if we multiply each term by 2, we will get the same thing. So these terms multiplied by 2, in changing 1 into 2, 2 multiplied by 2 will be 4. So we will get this 2 and 4, 1, 2 and 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. So nth term formula also we can write Vn is equal to, we will multiply this by the, which is formula for this one, 1 by 4 n square into n plus 1 whole square, like this, and this will be basically not by 2 but 2 cube, we will be multiplying by 2 cube. So this will be 8 by 4 n squared into n plus 1 squared. So 4 2s are 8, and we will get n formula will be Vn is equal to 2n squared into n plus 1 whole squared. This will be the given, this will be the final answer which we can provide over here, 2n squared into n plus 1 whole square. So this is done. 1 mark question. We can directly write answer also, which is this, but I have explained you for your understanding. Question number 12. This diagram is provided. Draw the locus of the points which are 3 centimeter from E. So we will open the compass 3 centimeter. I have opened this for you. This one is exactly 3 centimeter, and we will place over here at E, and we will draw a circle like this one. So this is locus of the points which are 3 centimeter from E. So this portion we have done, we have taken 3 centimeters. So these are the points, these are the locus of the point. So using a straight edge and compasses only, construct the bisector of angle DCB, and we have to bisect this angle. To bisect this angle, we will just rotate the page to our convenience, so we can rotate like this, and we have to bisect basically this angle. So we will put over here at C and draw an arc like this. Hopefully you can see this one, and then we have to basically open this compass more and draw a locus, like for example draw an arc over here, and from here also draw an arc. So we got a point of intersection of these two arcs, and we can join this one like this, and we will be going up to the boundary basically, and like this one, and we can use the dotted line outside, but the boundary will be this one. Now after drawing this, what is next question? We'll go through the next part. So using a straight edge and compasses only, construct the bisector of angle DCB, and we have already done this, and this is 2 mark question. Shade the region which is satisfying these two conditions, less than 3 centimeter from E. So less than 3 centimeter from E will be within this region, and nearer to CB than CD. Nearer to this one than CD. So this portion will be nearer to CB than CD. So we will shade this portion. Hopefully you are understanding each and everything. And don't forget to subscribe Maths TV. Also press bell icon so that you will be getting notification for incoming videos. As soon as they are uploaded, you will get the notification for that. Also introduce this channel to your friends and classmates. So this is basically the portion which we were required to shade, and we have shaded this portion. Question number 13. Write as a single fraction in simplest form. So this one we have to write in simplest form. So we can take LCM as 6x. So this will be like 6x. So 6x divided by 2x will be 3, and 3 into 3 will be 9. Plus this 6x divided by 3 will be 2x, and 2x multiplied by 2x will be 4x squared. And next will be this one, we can write over 1 over 1. So this will be 6x divided by 1 will be 6x, then 6x multiplied by 3 will be 18x, so plus 18x. And then this one, 6x divided by 1 will be 6x, then multiplied by 2x will be basically 12x, so plus 12x squared, 12x squared, because 6x multiplied by 2x will be 12x squared. Now we can rearrange basically and simplify also. So this square and square we can combine. This will be 16x squared and 18x plus 18x plus 9 divided by 6x. This will be our final answer, and we can write here 16x squared plus 18x plus 9 divided by 6x. This will be our final answer for this question number 13, which is 4-mark question. This is basically LCM method which we have used. If you are facing difficulty in LCM method, you can practice this. First clear the method, then solve the past papers always. This is the rule. Now question number 14. Diagram is not to scale. The diagram shows 2 points P and Q. P and Q on a straight line AB. This is straight line AB. P is midpoint of AB. P is midpoint of AB, and Q is midpoint of PB. So Q is midpoint of this one. So write down in terms of A and B in its simplest form AP. So AP, we will find AB, and AP will be half of AB. So we can write AB will be equal to minus A plus B. So we can write minus A plus B. This will be basically AB. Now we can take AP, which is half of AB. So we can write AP is equal to half of AB, and this will be equal to minus 1 by 2 of A and plus 1 by 2 of B, or plus term we can write first. So it will be 1 by 2 B plus minus 1 by 2 A. So this is basically minus. Hopefully you got this. The position vector of Q. Position vector of Q. To draw position vector of Q, we can draw this from here. So this will be from the origin to Q. This will be the position vector, and now we have basically we can take this route, or we can take this route. So I'm taking this root b, and this will be bq. We can write bq, and bq will be half of this one. So we can write 1 by 4 of b. So this will be negative direction also, negative direction of what? Of 1 by 2b, 1 by 4 basically, 1 by 4b and minus 1 by 4a. This is basically this bq. So we can write here OQ is equal to OB plus BQ, and OB is equal to B. So we write B plus BQ is this one. So minus, we will multiply inside. So we'll get 1 by 4A, 1 by 4A and minus 1 by 4B. Then we can further simplify. Basically this is only term A, so 1 by 4A, and these two will be simplified, 1 minus 1 by 4. So 1 minus 1 over 4, this will be resulting to 3 by 4. So we can write here plus 3 by 4b, and our answer will be 1 by 4a plus 3 by 4b. This will be final answer. The lights and brakes of 30 bicycles are tested. The table shows the results. These are lights and brakes details, failed test. These are the details, pass test. These are the details 27, lights pass and brakes pass 21. Then this is very important information. The lights and brakes both failed on one bicycle only. Both failed or one bicycle only. So it means that both failed. This is light failed. They're saying universal set is 30. Complete the Venn diagram. So for A part, this is lights failed and this is brakes failed. Both failed is only one bicycle. So we can put over here 1. Now from here we come to know that lights fail are 3. So out of 3, 1 is over here. So 2 remaining will be here. And brakes failed are 9. And out of 9, 1 is over here. So 8 will be here. And the total is 30. And so total is 30. This means 10 plus 1, 11 are inside. So 19 will be outside over here. Hopefully you got this. Now B part. For B part, we can use the information which we have inserted over here. So if you check, this is lights pass and brakes pass. So 19 are basically passed, which we got this information from A part, that 19 passed lights as well as brakes. So 19 will be over here, and total lights pass is 27. So 27 minus 19 will be 8, and total brakes pass is 21. So 19 minus 21 will be only 2. So this will be 2, and the remaining one, if we check, this will be only 1 over here. Hopefully you got this. Question number 16. Functions question. F of x is equal to this one. G of x is also provided. H of x is also given, and they are asking us to find f of h of f of 1. So first we will find f of 1. So f of 1 will be equal to, we'll replace 1 in this one. So 1 minus 3 whole square, which is minus 2 square, which is 4. So this will be, now we can find h of f of 1, which will be equal to h of 4. And h of 4, why h of 4? Because f of 1 is already, we calculated 4. So this f of 1 we will replace by 4. So h of 4. So we will replace here. So this will be 4 cube, which is equal to 4 cube will be 4 into 4 into 4. So 4 cube will be equal to 64. So our answer will be 64 over here. Then we have to find g inverse of x. G of x is this one, so we can write y is equal to x minus 1 over 4. Now we can make x as subject. 4 we have to shift to this side, so this will be 4y is equal to x minus 1, and then we can shift 1 also to this side, so 4y plus 1 is equal to x. Now we can swap x and y, so it will be y is equal to 4x plus 1. This is basically g inverse of x, so g inverse of x is equal to 4x plus 1, and our answer will be 4x plus 1. For inverse questions, basically this is our strategy. Whatever we will be putting y is equal to this one, then we will make x as subject, and at the end we are swapping x and y, and this will be our answer. This is the same strategy which we will be using for all inverse questions. Then they are asking us to find g of h of x. First we'll find h of, basically h of x is already provided, so h of x is x cube, so we can write here h of x is equal to x cube. Now g of h of x will be equal to g of x cube, and this one we can write g of x is basically over here. So in this one we will replace x as x cube, so it will be x cubed minus 1 over 4, and this will be our final answer over here. No simplification further is possible, so we'll write here. Now the solution to the equation f of x is equal to 0. Now f of x is what? F of x is equal to, it is given x minus 3 squared is equal to 0. So this implies this equal to 0 we have written from this f of x is given, f of x is equal to 0. Now we can write this one, x minus 3 is equal to 0 because square is 0, so this will be 0. So 3 we can shift minus 3 to the other side, so x will be equal to 3. This will be our answer. So x is equal to 3 is our final answer for this part. Question number 17. This is basically cumulative frequency diagram which they have provided. This side is cumulative frequency and this side is mass in grams. They are saying the mass m grams of cornflakes in each of 200 boxes is recorded. The cumulative frequency diagram shows the results. This is cumulative frequency diagram which they have shown. So A part, use the diagram to estimate the interquartile range. Now interquartile range is what? Interquartile range is upper quartile minus lower quartile. So we require upper quartile and lower quartile, and this is basically is equal to interquartile. So this is the formula which we'll be using, and we have to show on the graph basically upper quartile. To calculate upper quartile, we will be calculating 75th percentile. So 75th over 100 into this 200. So we'll calculate this, and this will be equal to, this will be cancelled, and it is equal to 150. So we'll have to check 150 on this side. This is 140, this is 160. So in the middle will be 150. This will be our upper quartile. We'll check the reference for this one, and the reference for this one will be over here. We can draw a line. This is the reference, and from this side also we can draw a line, and this is basically the upper quartile which we have taken over here. This is 504 point, basically 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we can write 504.8, 505 point, basically 505.8, 505.8. This will be the reference for this one. Now this is the reference. Now this is upper quartile. Now we can check for the lower quartile. Lower quartile will be 25th percentile of 200, and this will be cancelled. So 25 into 2 will be 50. So we'll check for the 50, and 50 is in the middle of this one, so we can check reference for 50, and the reference for 50 will be this. So this will be over here, and this is 502, and 1 2 3 4 5, so up to this one is 503, so it will be 502.6, 502.6, this value. Now we can subtract this 505.8, 505.8. So if I put here, you can see 505.8 minus 502.6, and this will be resulting to 3.2. So this will be, I will show the working, 1 second. So we can write here, upper quartile will be 505.8 minus 502.6 is equal to, this is the 3.2 term which we have calculated, 3.2. So answer is 3.2 grams. Hopefully you understood this. Now B part, they are saying find the probability that a box chosen at random has this one. Find the probability that a box chosen at random has a mass of 500 grams or less. So 500 grams or less. So if we check the reference for 500 grams or less, so that will be 500 grams will be this one. So we can check this reference, and this will be up to this one. So this will be lower part is 18, this is 20, so this will be 18, and we can write answer as basically 8. This will be basically this will be 16, not 18. So 16 out of 200. So our answer will be 16 divided by 200. This will be the probability. This is basically 16 reference. So because each small box is equal to 4, 8, 12 and 16. So 16 divided by 200. Now C part, they are saying this is the frequency, mass, m, ranges are provided and frequencies are provided. That the data in this frequency table is to be shown in histogram. Complete the frequency density table below. So frequency density, we know the formula. Frequency density is equal to frequency divided by class width. This will be the formula which we will be using. And frequency density for first one they have calculated is 16 divided by, this is 16, so frequency is 16 divided by the class width, which is 500 minus 496, and this is equal to 4, which they have written over here as 4. Now similarly we will take this frequency 74, so we can write 74 divided by 504 minus 500, so 504 minus 500, and this will be resulting to 18.5. so our frequency over here will be frequency density will be 18.5. Now similarly 104, so we can write 104 divided by 508 minus 504, and this will be resulting to 26, and we will write here 26. Similarly this one, 6 divided by 510 minus 508, and this will be resulting to 3, and this will be 3 over here. Then next part, next question, basically question number 18. Diagram is not to scale, and this diagram is provided height, perpendicular height is 15, and this is basically the radius 6 centimeter. The diagram shows a glass in the shape of a cone for drinking milk. The cone has a radius of 6 centimeter and height is 15 centimeter. A bottle of milk holds 2 liters. So how many times can the glass be completely filled from the bottle? The volume V of a cone with radius R and height H is this one. So volume formula is already provided and we have to just replace the values. So this is 2 liters. So 2 liters we can first of all change into 2000 centimeter cubed. And now this will be utilizing in this one for this calculation. So volume, we know volume we can calculate 1 by 3 pi into R square. R is 6, so 6 squared and into 15. This will be calculation, and if we check this will be, I'll move page a little above so that we can see the calculations as well. So this will be 1 over 3 and pi will be this into 6 squared into 15, and this will be resulting to 180 pi in terms of pi. Now this will be, they are asking how many times can the glass be completely filled. So this is the total 2 liter which we are having. So 2 liter, which is 2000 basically centimeter cube, will be divided by 180 pi, and this will be 2000 divided by answer will be equal to 3.53, but they're saying completely filled. So this will, we can write answer 3.53677, but here we will write 3 because rounded answer will be 3. We can write here 3 and rounded answer will be 3, because rounded answer means complete filling will be 3, and this will be the remaining portion. Now in B part they are asking us calculate the volume of the milk left in the bottle. Give your answer in centimeter cubed. So basically this one, like we know 180 pi is the volume. 180 pi is the volume which is used for one filling. So 180 pi multiply by 3, this times it will be filled. So multiply by 3 will be equal to this one. Now this is equal to 540 pi, or you can write in decimals this one. So 2000 minus answer will be equal to 303.53. So we can write 2000 minus 540 pi, and this will be equal to 303.53. So approximately 303, or you can round it to 304 as well. So I'm writing 303. 304 is also correct answer. So this is what is required for this one. Now question number 19. N is equal to, this matrix is given, describe fully the single transformation represented by N. So we know this is basically this sign is changed for this one, and identity matrix is 0 1. It's basically 90 degree. You will have to memorize this one. So rotation, this will be rotation 90 degree clockwise. So this will be about the origin. So this will be our final answer. This is 3-mark question. You will have to specify these 3 things: rotation 90 degree clockwise and about the origin. So we will write here, basically the proper place is here. So rotation 90 degree clockwise about origin 0 0, or we can write 0 0 also we can write like this. Then they are saying B part, find the matrix which represent the single transformation that maps triangle A onto B. So A onto B, we have to find the single transformation. For this part, basically we can check A and B. This is the single transformation map A onto B. So we can take these points. Basically this point will be having coordinates. If we can write this point will be having coordinates 1 and 5, 1 and 5, and the same corresponding point is this one, which is having 5 and 1. So we can see from here X and Y points are switching. So X value is taking Y position, and Y value is taking X position. Similarly, if we check this point, this one is having coordinates 1 and 3, 1 and 3, and this corresponding point is this one, which is switching to 3 and 1, 3 and 1. Similarly, if we check the third point, which is this one, which is having coordinates 2 and 3, is switching to this point, which is 3 and 2, 3 and 2. So for all 3 points, if you see, they are switching X and Y value, and this is about the origin, basically 0 0. So we can see this, like center is this one, origin. So we can write here, this will be 0 1 1 0. This will be the matrix, because if you take any of these two values, for example, if I take this value 1 and 5, 1 and 5, and write in a matrix form and multiply this matrix 0 1 1 0, and we will multiply first row first column, we will get 0 and 5, so 5, and first row second column, then it will be 1 and 0, so we will get 5 and 1, which is coordinates for this one. So for each coordinate you can multiply it with this matrix and you will get this. So this is our answer for this part. Hopefully you got this. Now on the grid, draw the image of triangle A under a stretch factor 3 with the y-axis invariant. So for this one, we will be taking basically these coordinates of A. Coordinates of A are what? 1 and 3, 2 and 3, and 1 and 5. So these coordinates, we will multiply X by the factor, which is 3. So this will be changing to 3 and 3. Y we will keep same. For stretching, stretching is y-axis is invariant, so y we will not be changing. 2 into 3 will be 6 and 3, and this will be 1 into 3 will be 3 and 5. So these will be the new coordinates of the triangle, and because they are saying draw the image, so we will be drawing image on the provided grid. 3 and 3 is basically, 3 and 3 is this point, 1 point, then 6 and 3, 6 and 3 is this point, and 3 and 5 is this point. So we got this triangle over here. We can draw this one by joining these points, and this will be the stretched triangle, and I'm shading it for your understanding so that you can see this. It is not required by the question, so I'm shading for your clarification. This is done, and this question also we have done, and we can write these new coordinates, like for example 3 3 and 6 3 and 3 5 over here. This is 2-mark question. We are done with the paper. Hopefully you understood each and everything. Don't forget to subscribe Maths TV. Also press bell icon so that you will be getting notification for new videos. Recommend this channel to your friends and class fellows. Also introduce this channel to your respected teachers. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye.